SC Botany and PhD also, MCA and BTech and B.Ed and M.Ed and M English, formerly lecturer in SS College Katholi, then principal in Mathura. Nowadays I am teaching to students of IAS, PCS and NEET and NET. And Bollo. Today I am discussing blood groups. It was invented by Karl Landsteiner. That is, blood group A contain antigen A and antibody B, and B blood group contain B antigen and A or alpha antibody, and in O it is absent and both A and B. Now I am discussing you importance of blood groups. On the one side it is antigens and the other side it is donors. Antibodies A and small b, that donors contain A and B, antibody B. B blood group, it contains clumping and it is not clumping, and clumping contains B blood group and AB blood groups both, none of the antibodies, and AB clumping does not take place. Then capital B and small a and donors are clumping because antibody B is present, and small B blood group, A blood group, antibody A is present, and it contains non-clumping. And in this AB both are present, none of these, and that is called clumping. Clumping, A contain clumping, AB contain clumping, but O does not contain clumping. It is no clumping. Then AB, in AB antigens, donors are 1, 2, 3, 4. B, small a, capital B, and capital O. Both are no clumping. And in the O blood group is small a, small b, donors contain antibody B and it contains 1, 2, 3, that is clumping, and it is not clumping. That it is called O blood group. Now we proceed. Chalo. Donor and antigens. If A contain recipient A blood group can be given, and small b can be given capital to B, and AB blood group contain B and small a universe donor that contain B blood group, and O is universal donor and AB is universal recipient. AB is universal recipient, किसी को भी दिया सकता है, and O universal donor, ये किसी को भी दे सकते हैं, ये किसी का भी ले सकता है. Now we proceed. Transfusion of blood. Antigen A serum, antigen serum B, and blood group. If blood group A contain A antigen, then it takes place not clumping, but it takes place clumping. And in the B blood group, it is clumping and it is not clumping. And in 2AB, both are in both sides clumping takes place. and antigen O that can be given to anyone, and it contain antigen A and B both. Now we go on. It is transport system. In transport system लाइट दिखाई नहीं दे रही बिल्कुल भी, लाइट तो जला भाई, लाइट नहीं दिखाई दे रही, लाइट नहीं बढ़ रही. This transport system, then FS, then FMN, then AD, AVDH, then it forms AV, then it proceeds towards the ADH and plastoquinone, then FDH2, then FDH2, then Fe system, then cytochrome C, then cytochrome C, then this type contains FES.